Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are getting into this Winter Wonderland makeup look. I am super excited. We're getting into the Africaque Juvia's Place palette and the Take Me to Brazil palette. So first we're going in with this first blue color in the Juvia's Place palette, and I am really packing that on. Now, one thing I will say about this about working with a blue is to be sure that you want to take it up high enough. So kind of sort of before, right above where that crease line is. And the reason is so that you know, like when you try to blend it out with your lighter blue colors, you won't have so much trouble with it. You can do it, but you'll have to work really hard. And so, yeah, keep that in mind. Once I get that blue packed on the way I want it, then I'm going to go into the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go in with the darker blue color. And I am going to place that in because basically I'm establishing where I'm going to want to cut my crease. And y'all, I had theatrics and all of that to show where these colors are coming in at, but it doesn't look like they're doing it for us. And that is okay. I've learned this doesn't work, and we will try something else. Once I have established that dark blue, then I'm going in with my light blue, and I'm going to blend out the edges of the first blue that we used in that Juvia's Place palette. And we're going to really make that a seamless blend. And like I said, this goes back to what I said in the beginning, that if you do not take this up high enough, you are going to find yourself struggling a little. You'll end up seeing the line of demarcation, and we don't like that. Once I get that to a good spot and where I want it, then I'm going to go in with the clean fluffy brush. I'm not sure what the name of this is. I got it off Wish a while back in a brush set. And I just use that to actually just go through and really blend everything. Once I got that through, then y'all already know what time it is. It is time to cut the crease. And I'm still doing it the same old with my Vaseline and my flat elf brush. Once I get that cut good, I am still using the method of using the micellar water. I feel like that's what it is. But now you guys, I've gotten hip and I've realized that when I use a Q-tip, this makes it so much easier. Please don't use a wipe, y'all. It'll stress your whole entire life. But what I will say is be careful how much you put on there, because I got a little overboard, and so yeah. It's going to come off really greasy, and so you're going to want to wipe that off because you're not going to be able to apply the concealer on top of that greasy surface. Once I get that all cleaned up, then I go in with my infamous e.l.f. concealer. Y'all already know I love my e.l.f. concealer. And y'all, I am almost to the end of that, so clearly I'm going to have to take y'all shopping with me because we're going to find some new concealer. Once I get that all good and packed on, then I'm going to go back and actually fill in my actual lid color. So of course I'm going back in with that dark blue in the Africaque palette and keeping that right on the edge. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going in with in the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going in with that light blue that I used to blend out that blue color to get that nice gradient finish. Once I have that where I want it, then I'm going to go in. I'm not sure what brush this is. I think it's the Orita's, and I might not be saying that right. Trio brush that I got in a BoxyCharm box a while back. And I am going in with that white color. And y'all know I am still out on the look with that Frost pure white color. Still don't have it yet. Once I get that how I want it, now it is time to apply the glitter. Now what I did notice is that on the eye I did off camera, I didn't leave the space in between for that white frosty glittered liner, but I did on this eye that I'm showing you on camera, and it actually ended up working out better. So as you can see, I'm using the loose glitter, which is this frosty snowflake glitter, this cobalt or maybe a dark blue glitter, and this teal color. And I'm using the white in that crease area, and I'm using the two blue and teal down for my actual wing. I'm doing the reverse on what I actually have on the lid. And as you can see, I'm still going in with Duo lash glue. That seems to be doing pretty well for me, actually. I still can't believe I'm using glue on my eyelid, but it is what it is. And using a pencil brush, I'm really thinking about getting an even skinnier brush because I think it'll probably do me better. So when I get that, we'll try that out. And the key is to make sure you do have some type of makeup wipe or something handy, because what you're going to want to do is make sure you keep your brush clean so that it's not all gunked up with glitter and glue. And go a little at a time. So basically, whatever section you're working on, do a little bit at a time and apply the glitter on that. You don't want to apply too much too fast because, you know, you have to keep in mind that you are still kind of moving your eyes, so you don't want everything to get all stuck up. But other than finishing my glitter liners, I do go back over and kind of graze my pencil brush over the makeup wipe just to get the excess glitter off that didn't find a home. And other than doing my full face off camera, applying lips and lashes, that is this makeup look. Now, I am a little sad for whatever reason. Y'all already know how Vlogmas is treating me. My pictures that I took of this wonderful look did not become compatible for whatever reason, so that I could post this in this video. But if you follow me, as you should, I do have them posted on Instagram, Facebook. So you should be able to see that. I do apologize. And if you're not following me, I mean, why not? So, y'all, this does end this look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It does give me really snowy Christmas vibes. So please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video. If you do decide to recreate this, please tag me. I would love to shout you out. And give this video a thumbs up so that we can get more people out here in the community checking your girl out. And as always, thank you for being loyal subscribers. Y'all have been here from the very beginning, and I love you guys so much. Bye.
Hallelujah.